The brave little ant. On a bright summer day, a little ant was busily collecting food for the winter. The ant carried small crumbs back to her nest, working tirelessly from morning until night. As she was making her way home with a large piece of bread, she encountered a grasshopper who was lounging in the sun. The grasshopper laughed at the ant. "Why do you work so hard? The weather is warm and there's plenty of food. Come and relax with me." The ant shook her head. "I'm gathering food for the winter. It may be warm now, but soon the cold will come, and food will be scarce." The grasshopper shrugged and continued to enjoy the sunshine, while the ant returned to work. As the weeks passed, the grasshopper continued to play, sing, and eat freely, while the ant worked every day, storing food in her nest. Soon winter arrived. The once green fields were now covered in snow, and food was hard to find. The grasshopper, hungry and cold, searched for something to eat but found nothing. Remembering the ant, he went to her nest and knocked on the door. "Please, ant, may I have some food? I'm starving, and I have nothing to eat," the grasshopper pleaded. The ant looked at the grasshopper with pity but also remembered how he had laughed at her during the summer. "I worked hard all summer while you played. If you had thought about the future, you wouldn't be in this situation now." The grasshopper hung his head in shame. "You're right, ant. I was foolish. I should have prepared for the winter." The ant, being kind-hearted, shared some of her food with the grasshopper, but it was just enough to help him survive the winter. From that day on, the grasshopper learned the value of hard work and planning for the future. And when summer came again, he was found working alongside the ant, gathering food for the next winter.